Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change your audio settings in 7 days to die. First, you'll want to press the escape button to bring up the main menu, and in the main menu go into options. Then from options go into audio settings, and in audio settings you can find all the various different options that you can customize for yourself. Overall sound volume, ambient sound volume, in-game music volume. You can change it up based on those percentages. You can enable or disable the dynamic music and add a certain percentage of time to that music per in-game day. You can enable or disable the profanity filter. You can, if you have mumble, you can enable mumble positional audio support, and of course enable disable voice chat, enable disable voice output device, change the voice output device, change the voice input device, and change your sensitivity of your voice volume. And well, that's about it. When you are happy with the choices you've made, you can simply go and press apply, go back once again, and you are back in game. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.